Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make wall decoration piece. So firstly, we will cut card sheet into 18-inch long and 15-inch wide. Now to make it look like hut, we will cut for the top, center into diagonal in same size. Then we will take half-inch black glitter sheet and stick it in all side of your card sheet. Now take a glitter sheet and cut into heart shape in different sizes and stick it in ascending order. Now to make flower you have to cut 10-inch long and 1-inch wide paper sheet and fold it front and back accordingly, and then turn that paper around and stick both end with each other and your flower is ready. So now cut the black paper into round and stick it at the end of your thread. Now take that flower and paste it onto that black paper. Now take woolen thread and cut it into different sizes. Now stick those threads at the bottom of your sheet. Now add one flower your sheet as well. I have add tamarind seeds at the corners to decorate more. You can use any seed what you like. Now to complete it, write on the home sweet home. And here we go. We are done with this beautiful wall decoration piece. Bye.